Hi everyone! Sama kayo sa amin dito sa Racket ng Kabataan. Nandito tayo sa Tiger City. So, itong Racket ng Kabataan ay presented by Shuttle Express PH. So, meron tayong buwan ng Wika Cup. So, merong badminton tournament for 16-year-olds and below. Sama kayo sa amin. Let's go! Woo! Ito yung court dito sa Tiger City. Meron pang for emergency. Meron tayong ambulance.
Kung may bagong nating na players, register na muna. Pati yung hindi pa nakakakuha ng mail nila, pwede po kunin dito. Thank you. Tapos may saging din po, pati brownies, pati tao. Thank you.
Same size mo. Games mo.
Kung doon ako saan? Banana team. Baka pa. Hindi natin malalaman.
The Shuttle Express presents Racket ng Kabataan, buwan ng Wika Cup. So, our official ball is Dimantis T45. Pocari Sweat, Philippines, the official health hydration drink. So, proceed lang po tayo dito sa ating Pocari booth for our free drink. Mag-answer lang tayo ng survey. And then, other sponsors, co-presented by Suzo Dimsum, Platinum Lubricants, Boss Owel, Pack Viewers, Regular QA.
So para may transaction.
Thank you. So nakabenta tayo ng grape. Tawag grape. Backpack. Gusto si Mami. Ilan na nabenta mo t-shirt? 2 t-shirts na benta ni Mami.
Kamusta naman ang naging sa sapatos natin?
Ano po? First of all, syempre, color ray, color blue. Yes. Terno with Shuttle Express. And ano po, makapit sa court.
Okay.
Bakit? Tsaka,
Ito siya.
makapal din ang ano niya.
May ano siya dito,
Makapal ang cushion niya.
May ano
So
siya.
parang,
pag nagla-lunch ka,
pag yung nagdadrag ka, more or less, at least hindi naman agad yung
yes.
fabric yung maano.
Ikaw din, she's
Okay.
Then, cushioning, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Traction, 10 out of 10. Colorway, 10 out of 10. Everything.
Meron tayong pang girls. Or kung guy, no judgment. Gusto mo rin ng pink. Inambush.
Kuya, ano yung need na gawin?
Survey lang, ma'am.
Survey.
Apo. Tapos, may free po kayong pamaypay para sa survey and Pocari Sweat.
Okay.
Pwede ba po isa?
Go.
Nakapag-survey ka na ba kanina?
Yes! Pwede ba ako?
Ito yung mga umpire. Say hi.
Ayaw po.
Thank you. Thank you po mga umpire.
Grace D. General versus Clark Harvey Dawson. Please proceed to court.
Players or bracket A, bracket B, you can get your meals now. Tapos kainin nyo na lang after. Pati merong players from bracket C and D, pwede nyo na rin kunin yung meals nyo.
Food delivery.
So, ang food natin ay, ano ba ito?
Beef steak.
Beef steak. And then, may dalawang flat tops.
We have Brittany Kelly F. Garcia. For another towel grip, we have Riker Lignes. Riker Lignes towel grip. Asan na? 5, 4, 3.
Wow, congrats!
Grip training equipment Andre Dorado. Bracket B, and will advance to the next round. Mark J. Ren, the Phoenix. Please be back to the court by 2:30.
For the awarding.
May laro kasi. You still have games later. Thank you. Game 10, bracket C, Brittany Kelly Garcia versus Aaron Mendieta. Brittany Kelly Garcia versus Aaron Mendieta.
Bracket B, Brandon L. Ariola, Nathan Jasper Alberio. Please proceed for
Raffle winner for Demantis bag.
Save this tip. Mantis bag. Right here.
Maximus Alexander.
Shuttle Express.
Bracket D, game 8. Nathan Jasper Alberio versus Adrian Gabriel Bacos. Yung pa rin gets past stage, hindi niya last. Amit.
Thank you, Gian, for visiting. Thank you, Gian, for visiting our tournament. Let's go support. Brownies muna tayo dito.
I went for this.
Magki-claim siya ng kanyang Pocari drink. Si Madam Gian registering for Pocari drink. Nakalibre pa ang ating visitor. Uy, may pwede pa.
Sabi ko parang meron akong sponsor dito.
Okay. Close up masyado.
Reshuffle po. Victor shirt kay Romani Xavier Zaragoza. Romani Xavier Zaragoza.
Uwi na.
Isa pang t-shirt, sponsored ni Taipei City Badminton Tour. Bag Kabutos. Picture. Game 4. Edmer John V. Canillas versus Ryder M. Lignes. Game 4. Edmer John Canillas versus Ryder M. Lignes.
Ayun si Van.
Mga fans eh. Sikat na sikat po ang ating tropang Riker. Oy! Babato na rakit ha. Maraming fans.
Tapos sa second place, bag din. Parang ito yung backpack version ng bag.
Mas maganda yung kasi. Parang mas maganda. Parang pagpalit mo. Mas maganda yung second.
Mas mahal yung una eh.
Mas mahal pa yung una.
Tapos for third place, ito backpack talaga siya.
Uy, no.
Be at your best ng Tokan. Suzul Dinsung Page. Sila yung mga sponsors natin. Thank you.
Focus ka na lang. Yes. Nice one! Go, Sunny! Come on! Uy! Come on! One at a time! Kaya yan! Sige nga, breathe! Shoki, breathe! Yan! Nauna yung talon. Ready agad? Picture ba? Go sir, go sir.
Wins na bibilangin natin. So you're gonna have, it's gonna be single round robin ulit. So 4 players, 3 games kayo. Para may ng wins, pag may nag-draw, win over the other. Tapos, ang mananalo, most wins sa division nyo, sila yung lalaban sa finals. Sa most wins sa division 2. Tapos, yung second most wins, sila yung lalaban para sa battle for third. Let us congratulate yung bracket winners natin. Sila yung nakita kaninang mga participants nila. So, lahat ng bracket winners, meron kayo sarili ng medal. May medal! So, yung magcha-champion, tatlo yung makukuha niya. Grand champion, plus division winner. So, okay.
Sino magsasabit ko yung Carl? Ako. Wala kulang. Yung umpire wala ay.
Sabay-sabay.
Lagay sa...
Hati-hati na lang.
Meron pa naman na iwan lang daw. Hati na lang kayo silang tatlo daw dyan. Isabit sa tatlo.
Picture na lang isa-isa. So, pero meron pa.
O, picture na daw guys, wag na kayo mahiya. Nak, tayo ka dyan nak, picturean kita.
1, 2, 3. Diba? 1, 2, 3.
Joseph Terrado. Top 2 will fight for our battle for third, Kramer John Peña-Rubia. And for Division 2, representative for finals, Andre Dorado. And to fight for the battle for third, Mark J. Rente Felix. Battle for third, Kramer John J. Peña-Rubia versus Mark J. Rente Felix. 21 race to Moses, dues until 30. Thank you. Finals from Division 1, representing Badminton CS Alliance Shuttlers United, BSU, Rongyo Joseph Terrado versus Andre Dorado, representing the Shuttle Project. Tama ba? Mr. Andre Dorado. Itong medal is for winning your division. Tapos, the gold is for being the grand champion of our tournament. And your prize is the...
Ako daw yung prize.
Victor.
Sarap mo! Sige,
Medical emergency ang ating second place.
Putaan mo na lang doon.
Punta ko na lang siya.
Ay, wait.
Wait lang, dyan ka lang, wait lang. Putaan mo muna si ano.
Order natin yun.
Kuya.
Oo, sumpag man!
Napasok mo ka. So, meron kang medal for winning your division po. Ayan, division winner. Tapos,
Yeah boy, ang kapag man! Ano gusto ko maging second?
Victor Badminton Backpack. tournament bag na.
Picture, picture.
1, 2, 3.
Second runner-up for the Racket Kabataan Wiga Cup, Smart J. De Felix. His prize is a badminton backpack.
Ito pa pa.
Thank you. Congrats, guys.
Hey, Montag.
Congrats!
Ng kabataan here in Tiger City Badminton Court. Our official ball is the Mantis D45. Our official health hydration drink, Pocari Sweat, co-presented by Suzhou Dimsum, Platinum Lubricants, here in Tiger City. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.